Most shooters still worship the 308, but there are hidden calibers out there that shoot flatter, hit harder, and have less recoil. In this countdown, I'll show you 5 obscure rounds that quietly outperform the .308 in real hunting and long-range use. These cartridges are so underrated that most shooters have no idea they exist. Stick around till number 1, because that one caliber is making veteran marksmen ditch their 308s for good. Number 5, 6.5 x55. Swedish Mauser. For decades, traditional hunters quietly trusted the 6.5 I-55 Swedish Mauser long before the modern 6.5 craze even existed. Picture setting up in a cold forest clearing, patiently tracking a deer. This round delivers flat trajectory, smooth recoil, and reliable terminal performance without kicking like a mule. With bullet weights typically ranging from 120 to 160 grains and muzzle velocities around 2,500 to 2,900 feet per second, it balances precision with ethical hunting power beautifully. It's not a flashy military round anymore, but in terms of accuracy and long-range energy retention, many consider it superior to the classic .308 in real-world field use. This cartridge really shines for medium to large game hunting, delivering clean takedowns with less punishment to the shooter's shoulder. Many shooters report sub-MOA accuracy out of well-built Swedish Mauser rifles, or even modern Tika or CZ platforms chambered for it. The recoil is so manageable that even new shooters feel confident placing accurate follow-up shots. Hunters across Europe have been harvesting moose and red stag with this caliber for over a century, a strong testimony to its practical effectiveness. If you load a 140-grain bullet, the ballistic coefficient is often higher than a comparable .308 load, meaning it drifts less in the wind and holds energy farther down range. Shooters love how flat it shoots at 300 to 400 yards without the need for heavy scope adjustments. Number 4, .280 Ackley Improved. Imagine taking a classic hunting round and giving it a modern performance boost without losing reliability. That's exactly what the .280 Ackley Improved delivers. Developed by gunsmith legend P.O. Ackley, this caliber turns heads because it offers ultra-flat trajectories, high velocity, and surprising accuracy that can rival magnums without the punishing recoil. When you chamber a 140 or 160 grain bullet and push it around 3,000 feet per second, the 280 AI starts outperforming the 308 in both energy retention and downrange speed. Perfect for ethical long-range hunting from mule deer to elk. Hunters love its versatility because it performs beautifully on both medium and large game, offering clean, humane kills and excellent penetration. On paper, it might look like just another 7mm variant, but once you experience how little it drops at 400-plus yards, you understand why many professionals consider it the sweet spot caliber for Western big game. With less recoil than a .30-06 and better ballistics than a standard .280 Remington, this round gives you the confidence to make precise shots while staying on target. Its high ballistic coefficient bullets slice through wind, making it ideal for open terrain and mountain hunting where conditions change quickly. Many shooters appreciate how easy it is to reload and tune for custom performance, which is why it's becoming a favorite among precision reloaders. Though still underappreciated by mainstream shooters, it's been quietly dominating long-range hunting circles for years. Number 3, 7mm08 Remington. For shooters who want .308 level performance without the shoulder punishment, the 7mm08 Remington hits the sweet spot beautifully. Picture a day at the range where you're stacking tight groups at 300 yards with almost zero fatigue. That's the kind of experience this cartridge offers. Firing common bullet weights from 120 to 150 grains at roughly 2,700 to 2,860 feet per second, it delivers flat trajectories, solid energy, and softer recoil than a standard .308, making it a dream for ethical hunting and precision shooting alike. This caliber is especially popular among deer and antelope hunters who appreciate accuracy and manageable recoil during long days in the field. Many hunters even trust it for black bear and elk with properly constructed bullets thanks to its reliable penetration and high ballistic coefficients. Because it's a neck-down .308 case, it feeds smoothly in most rifles and offers outstanding consistency shot after shot. It's a favorite in lightweight hunting rifles where recoil sensitivity matters. especially for younger or smaller frame shooters who still want serious performance. The 7mm .08 offers excellent wind resistance, making it a smart pick for open country or mountain hunting where shots often stretch beyond 300 yards. It's also popular in competitive shooting circles for its accuracy potential and efficient powder use. Many claim it's the perfect hunting cartridge because it retains energy like a 276, but kicks less and hits harder than most factory 243 loads. Number 2, 6mm ARC. The 6mm ARC, Advanced Rifle Cartridge, is one of the most exciting modern calibers to hit the shooting world, especially for those who want long-range performance out of lightweight semi-auto platforms. Imagine being able to engage targets accurately at 500 yards with minimal recoil and a standard AR-15 setup. That's the power of the 6mm ARC. With bullet weights usually between 103 and 108 grains traveling at approximately 2,650 to 2,800 feet per second, it delivers flat trajectories, excellent energy retention, and superb accuracy, all while staying extremely efficient. Engineered for military and precision applications, this round performs like a stretched-out .308 in terms of long-range ballistics, but with drastically reduced recoil and lighter rifle weight. The 6mm ARC shines in ethical varmint hunting, mid-size game, and precision competition shooting. Because of its high ballistic coefficient bullets, it resists wind drift remarkably well, a huge advantage in practical field conditions. Shooters love how the ARC combines modern efficiency with real performance in platforms that are usually limited to less powerful cartridges. It allows you to carry more ammo with less weight, maintain fast follow-up shots, and still take ethical shots on coyotes, deer, and even pronghorn. Some compare it to a mini 6.5 Creedmoor tuned perfectly for AR-style rifles. In terms of versatility, it bridges the gap between tactical and hunting roles, making it attractive for shooters who want one rifle that can do almost everything. It genuinely makes the 308 feel heavy, slow, and outdated in many cases. Number 1, 6.5 PRC. For those who demand elite long-range performance without jumping into extreme magnum recoil, the 6.5 PRC, Precision Rifle Cartridge, is a total game-changer. Picture hitting steel plates beyond 800 yards with consistent accuracy and still having enough power for clean, ethical hunting shots on big game like elk or mule deer. Firing 147 grain bullets at blazing speeds of around 2,900 to 3,000 feet per second, the 6.5 PRC delivers flatter trajectory and better energy retention than almost any .308 load you can buy. Known as the Magnum version of the 6.5 Creedmoor, this cartridge is insanely accurate, incredibly efficient, and widely loved by precision shooters and Western hunters. Despite its high velocity, the recoil is surprisingly manageable, thanks to its smart case design and streamlined bullet shape. In real-world tests, its ability to maintain supersonic speed far past 1,000 yards makes it ideal for both competitive shooting and ethical long-range hunting, something .308 struggles to achieve. Hunters appreciate how the 6.5 PRC produces quick, humane kills even on larger animals, all while giving confidence to take those longer shots when needed. Many shooters report sub-half MOA accuracy with factory ammo, which speaks volumes about its consistency. Compared to .308, the wind drift is significantly lower, the trajectory is much flatter, and the energy on target is far more impressive, especially in open country environments. This cartridge has sparked a whole new wave of precision rifles built around its specs, and it's becoming a leading choice for shooters switching away from traditional calibers. It's the kind of round that makes even loyal .308 fans seriously reconsider what they thought they knew about long-range capability.